Well, it's the next day, and you remember last time I showed you this, it was up high. I left it up high, watered it for a couple times, and then the next day I leveled it all out, smashed it all down. It all went down, but I didn't want to smash it all down the other day in case there were certain areas that were not as compacted as others to sink down before I put the grass down. Because the last thing you want is once you put the grass back in, you don't want it to start dipping in certain areas because you didn't have the dirt all compacted properly. Okay, and this is the same dirt that I took out, so it should be fine. Some of it I had to kind of move it around and get it pretty close. Once I start, if I think I have to do a few things, I can just take any extra dirt and kind of push it down that way. I see that little area right there is a little low, so I'll have to be mindful of that. And then the other thing, you want to make sure to get all the edges of the grass that you cut, you want to lift it up. You don't want that grass to fold down. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.